If you want to customize the left-hand menu of your WordPress dashboard, then this video is for you. You can turn that menu system into something that looks cluttered like this into something super clean like this. And you and your clients will likely appreciate the slimmed down menu with more clarity. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Hi, I'm Bjorn from WPLearningLab. If you get value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Now let's get started. First thing we have to do is head over to Plugins and Add Plugin. Then we want to look up Admin Site Enhancements. This is the one we want right up here. Click on Install Now and then Activate. And now under Tools, we have an option called Enhancements. Click on that to open it. And you'll see there's tons of stuff you can do with this plugin. I know we're only doing one thing, which is slimming down the menu, but you can do loads and loads with this. I have a full walkthrough of everything the free version of this plugin can do. I'll link to that in the pinned comment, or I'll try to if YouTube lets me. Or you can just find it on my channel by looking up Admin Site Enhancements or ASE. To start editing the admin menu, we have to go to Admin Interface, scroll down to Admin Menu Organizer, turn that on, then Save Changes. And now under Settings, we have an admin menu option. Open that. And here you'll notice this admin menu reflects the menu on the side. So we can reorder things. We can hide things. Let's just clean up our admin area. So much stuff. As the admin, you're going to want to have access to everything. But your clients and your editors and your publishers, they don't need access to all this stuff. So you just limit to whatever it is that you feel they need. And then click on Save Changes. And then refresh. And watch how the menu on the left changes. Much more slimmed down. Let's go super bare bones. Save changes, refresh again. That's a way more slimmed down menu. It looks pretty big because we're on the settings. Let's go to the dashboard. We'll see how small it really is. That's almost a nothing burger of a menu over there. Super clean. I don't know why this icon is here, but the words aren't. Not sure what that's for. But either way, this is how you slim down your menu. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this playlist on your screen right now, which is all about improving your WordPress skills. Check out that playlist and I will see you there.